Hello everyone, my name is Dani
And my name is Anek.
and we are consultants of InfoPoint UJOP UK. And today we are going to show you the way from Dormitory Hvezda to Study Center Krystal. And why?
Because you know that in Study Center Krystal we have students who prepares for medicine, natural science, humanities, art and architecture. And they have two options to live. They can live in Krystal itself. There is a we call it hotel-like dormitory, and the second one, dormitory, is Hvezda, just right behind us. And we will show you the way from Hvezda to Krystal, so you know that it will take about 20 minutes by feet. So it's not so far.
And why we want to show this way from Hvezda to Krystal?
Why?
Because they study there.
Yeah,
Because they study
yeah.
there.
The study center itself, it's actually in Krystal. So people who live in Krystal, they just have few steps to the study center. And people from Hvezda who lives in Hvezda, they need about 20 minutes walking to the Krystal. So let's go.
But wait, I have another question to you. Is this you mentioned this walking by feet? But is there any other option to get to Krystal Center?
Yeah, there is other option. You can go there by bus, metro, and tram. But actually, it will take almost the same time. But we will show you the metro station, the closest one. So you know that you can go to metro station. It will take about 5 minutes, maybe. Then by metro, it's just one stop. So it's 2 minutes, even less. And then again by feet about 5 minutes. So if you take the metro, and it will take about, I don't know, 12 to 20 minutes, something like 12, 15 minutes. So it's more or less the same actually.
So actually our next stop is metro station, and our journey starts here from Hvezda dormitory. Let's go. So here is our next stop, and as we said, it's stop near of metro station. And here you see the entrance to the metro, and it takes one stop from this metro station to another one near of study center. And another thing we wanted to show you is
The supermarket actually.
yes.
So we have it here.
So you will have just 10 minutes to a big supermarket, and you always will have how to say you always can buy all you need here.
Our journey continues, so let's go further.
Let's go.
Oh, we forgot about one thing. Here you have the tram and bus station, and you have two trams going to the city center, different directions, but it will take about like 20-25 minutes to go to city center by tram and about 15 minutes by metro. So let's go.
We started our journey from the top of a hill. Yeah. And the study center is located down under the hill. So this track is actually a connection between these two points. And here you see a nice park. It's really wide, and it looks wide. And when you will inside it, you will forget about that you are in the center of a big city, big European city, and you can actually a little bit lost in this small forest.
Yeah, actually this area is very green. This hill, as we said, the top of the hill, under the hill, there are a lot of small parks and big parks, and there are also like, it's not lakes, they're like ponds, yeah, like human-made ponds and rivers small. So you can go, if you go there, for example, you go to one pond. If you go there, you go to another one. And so actually on our blog we have the article about Hvezda dorm. And you can find also some tips where to go, what parks to visit. So check our blog and let's go.
Let's go. that's our final point of destination, and actually here is your future study center, Krystal, where you will learn Czech and special subjects which will prepare you for your future entrance exam and for your future studies at Czech universities. So we hope that this journey was interesting for you, and you see that it's really close from the dormitory Hvezda to the study center, and you can wake up in the morning and take your morning walk, 20 minutes walk to the study center to start your studies.
So we hope you will enjoy not only the walk but also studying at our study center Krystal. So please come to Czech Republic to study. Welcome.
And you will find that in the description section all needed links about courses, about notification process, about our blog, about other interesting information which describe the area and other options you can use during your studies. Bye.
And follow us on social media. Bye.
Bye.